Today I am gonna teach you how to make this poster step by step in Photoshop.
Create a new Photoshop document. Change the width to 3000 and the height to 3508, the resolution to 300, and the background color to be white. Then click create. Now we're gonna start with a gradient. Click on the gradient tool or press V. Then we're gonna go here to the gradient settings. Choose the greens. Then drag across the canvas to make the gradient. Now move back to the move tool. Now we are gonna add the images. Drag and drop the image to Photoshop. Resize it by press. We are gonna correct the sizing later. Now we are just eyeballing it. Add your second image. Resize. Press enter. Add the third image. Resize it. Press enter. Now move them. Move the two images on the back of the center layer. Hold Ctrl T to make it slightly bigger. Press enter. Now click on the second image. Click Ctrl T. Then while holding Ctrl, drag the corner to change the perspective. Now click on the other image. Press Ctrl T. Hold Ctrl, then drag it back. Hold, click on the center image, then make it slightly smaller. Press Ctrl T, make it slightly smaller so that you can see the other images. And now we are gonna add the text and the text tool. Click on the text tool. Now click on the canvas and change the font to Lucida handwriting. Then make it italic and change the paragraphing. Now write this text. I'm gonna give it green vacation. Now click on the move tool, move your text. Now double click on the thumbnail of the text, change the color to white, click OK. Now double click, now click on the move tool, then double click on the layer of the text. Gonna give you this layer style. Now you're gonna go to drop shadow, select it, then you're gonna change, let me reset it to default, then you're gonna change the blending mode. First I'm gonna change the drop shadow. First increase the opacity, then the distance, the size, and change here to be this. Change it to be this. Now increase the spread. Change the color to slightly greener and darker. Click OK. And OK. I'm gonna double press the thumbnail of the text. Increase the font size, then move it. Press the move tool. Now press Ctrl T and slightly rotate it, then press Enter. Now hold all the layers, move them with the V up. Now you're gonna add the clouds. You can get the clouds from free PNG website. Just type the free PNG website and you can get them. freepngwebsite.com. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate it so that you can make it more intense. Now we can, while holding Shift, select all the layers, then press Ctrl J, then you can move them. You can press Ctrl T to slightly scale them and move them. Now press Ctrl D again to duplicate. Now we can add like somewhere around here. Now we're gonna add circles. Left click and hold, select the elliptical match tool, drag to make a circle. Now you're gonna go to blending, fill it with a solid color, press OK. Now double click on the layer to bring up the layer styles, add a stroke. Now you can change the size, press OK. Now we are gonna add images. The first one, drag and drop it to Photoshop, press Enter. Then with your mouse, go to the layers, hold Alt or the Option key on your keyboard between the layers and click, left click. You can see that it has flipped into the Marquee Mask tool. Now press Ctrl T to resize it. Now we're gonna duplicate, and now we are gonna change the images. To duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J, then move it, pressing V, then move it. Now Ctrl Z, that's it. Ctrl Z again. Undo what we did and delete the layer. Ctrl Z. Hold the marquee tool again and drag and make another selection. Fill it with a solid color. Draw a circle with the marquee tool. Press on the top layer and then fill it with a solid color. Press OK. Then double click on the layer to bring up the style. Click on the stroke, then press OK. Then you can now move it. Add your second image. Press enter. Hold the Alt or Option button. Then go between the two layers and click. Now you can move the layer. Hold Shift to move both the layers. Now select the top layer, then go back to the marquee tool and do another circle. You can move it. Fill it with a solid color. Double click. Use stroke. Click OK. Add your third image. Hold the Option key and click. Now press Ctrl T to resize it. Press OK. And now, while holding Shift, press both the layers, then move tool, which is V, and move them. Now select your whole composition. Move them up to make room for the text. Move them up. Now we are gonna add the text. Click on the top layer, then click on the text tool. Change the font to Arial. Bold. Change the font to white. Now right. Decrease the font size. Move it right. Mediate. And click again. Right. Barley. I'll change the font to regular. Now write the words you see on screen. Drag select, then change the font size, the spacing, click outside, then six, 8, 5, 5, 8, 7, 4. Now we are gonna change the gradient to be a little darker for the text to pop. Double click on the thumbnail of the gradient. Click on the thumbnail of the gradient, then double click on the dot in the gradient. Now you can change this to dark color. Press OK. Then double click on the other color. Change it firstly. Press OK. Now you're gonna add the prices. You can select the rectangle tool, then drag across the screen on the canvas, resize it, then you can round off the corners on the properties panel, drag to make the corners round, then you can fill it with a yellow color. Press OK, then move it to the top. Press enter, and now you're gonna duplicate the layer. Move to the move tool first, then press Ctrl J, now drag across, press Ctrl J again, drag, across, move them up a little. Now we're gonna write the prices. Go to the text tool, change the text to black, press OK. Now on the first to bold, and now on the first you can write bold to black. All right, $30 Press Ctrl while still on the text tool, then resize it. Ctrl again and resize it. Or you can just let's go back. Ctrl Z, drag select, then increase the font size, then move it. Click outside the canvas. can now duplicate this layer first. Select the move tool, then duplicate by pressing Ctrl J. Now the other one. Now Ctrl G again to duplicate and move it to the desired location. Now you're gonna add the aeroplanes SVG. First select these clouds and move them. Click on it, then find it where it is. Then while holding shift, select on the second, move them. Now we're gonna come here to the path tool. We're gonna use the path tool. Click on the path tool, and now draw a line from here to here by clicking it. Then click again in the middle to add a point. Ctrl V to undo and click on the middle. Then while holding Control, hold Control, then hover your mouse over that point. Your mouse will change into a pointer, and now drag it out to make a curve. And because there's a fill layer, you can remove the fill layer by going to Fill, pressing the fill and changing it to this stroke. And now you can increase the stroke size because the default is 1 pixel. Drag, you can see it increasing. Then change it from the continuous line to the breaking line. And now we're going to add another point by clicking, then holding Control to change it to a point, then drag, Control, drag, Control, drag. Now press on the move tool, move it to the top there. Now we're gonna add a small aeroplane, like let's say for example this. Drag it to Photoshop, press OK. Now the only thing we want is this white aeroplane, so we are gonna select the quick selection tool, and now you can increase the size limit, and now drag to select, then press on the mask button to isolate that part. Then you can press the image, press V, then move it, press Ctrl V. Now we're gonna resize it. Then rotate it. Press enter. Now we are gonna add another path. So press on the path tool, make another straight. Press on the path tool, click, then click, then click, then Control, then move it. Press on the field, move it on the stroke. Now increase the stroke size. Change the default to this dotted line. Then you can change the color to maybe white this time. And now you're gonna find this on the V, want to click to find this, then we're gonna press Ctrl G to duplicate it, then move it on top, then move it to desired. Let's place it here. Now double click on the thumbnail of the card to make V. Now we're gonna click on this, move it up a little. Now we're gonna add another text. So click on the top layer, click on the text tool, then write another text. The Arial font is the bold, change it to enjoy it. Yes. Drag select it, then change the spacing, change the font size to be slightly smaller, move it, then press on the move tool, press Ctrl key, rotate it. Now press Ctrl and click the corners and drag it if you want to change the perspective, and press enter. This is how it turned out.